Morning fam, what's good, what's good? I hope that you're well and keeping safe. So you know what, the boy is on his morning walk. And you know what, I felt like let's put on the camera and let's just have a conversation, right? So we can call this a psychology talk, right? And yeah, I do know that I look a little bit rusty, but you know what, you guys gonna have to excuse me on that one. You're gonna have to excuse me on that one. But as I was walking, I realized that, hey, why are we finding ourselves starting off trading, right? And I think evidently everyone is starting off the journey with that mindset of, you know what, I want to get rich. I want to be the one who's going to feed my family. I want to make sure that my family's family are straight. They can basically share the actual skill set, and many other people can find themselves making money of it as well, right? And nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that until you find yourself being inside the trading niche, and you know what, you find yourself discovering that there is so much more you need to find yourself taking into consideration when it comes down to trading itself, right? And if I can basically talk about three common mistakes I found myself making in the beginning as an actual trader, right? um I would love to share it with each and every single one of you, right? Because at the end of the day, if this can help you, hey, I am so happy. I'm so happy. And mistake number one was basically not having a trading plan. And not having a trading plan will literally affect everything that is coming after this, right? Now, not having a trading plan is literally you not having a system. You don't know where you're going to find yourself entering the market. You don't know where you're going to exit the market. You just going off impulsive decision making, right? The market is going up and all of a sudden you feel like you should be buying. The market is going down, all of a sudden you feel like you should be selling, right? And with that being said, you know what, you don't really know what you are doing, right? And with you not knowing what you are doing, this is literally where trading becomes a gamble, because you are now basically gambling where you think price should be going, right? So rule number one will literally just be develop a trading plan, right? Develop a trading plan so that you know what to look out for when it comes down to your actual trading journey, right? And that was the first mistake I found myself having, not having a trading plan. Mistake number two was literally not having money management, right? Zero money management. Zero money management. You all know, you get into the market and you just want to find yourself going in full margin and just make the most money as what you can. And when that trade goes against you, you know what, this is simply you losing your capital, right? This is you literally blowing your account at the end of the day. And is that an actual thing that you can find yourself overcoming? Is that a mistake you can find yourself correcting? Yes, it is something that you can find yourself correcting, right? And with that being said, holy damn, they be beefing. Is that a mistake that you can find yourself correcting? Yes, that is a mistake you can find yourself correcting, right? And once again, just like I made mention, if you have a plan in place, right, this is where you can find yourself now tapping into having proper money management. Because once you're going to find yourself having a system where you know where you're going to execute price, where you know where you're going to find yourself placing your stop loss, and where you're going to find yourself placing your take profit area, and with you knowing how much you are putting on the table, your journey will just become so much smoother as a trader, right? So mistake number two was basically money management, right? And mistake number three was letting emotions control me, right? So with that being said, you know that feeling of anxiety whatsoever when you are inside a trade, right? That right there was basically everything. So if you feel like, you know what, that actual blood pressure of you whatsoever is going up when you are pressing that buy, when you are pressing that sell button, that's when you know something is up, right? That's when you know you don't really know how much you are putting on the table. You don't really know where the market is gonna go. You are just simply finding yourself going off instinct once again, right? And you know what? The most dangerous part of it is when you are actually correct, right? Because once you are correct, this is when you think that this is how it should be, right? So those are the three common mistakes I found myself making as a trader. And I hope that for you who's watching this, if you are a beginner trader, you know what? These are the things that you need to find yourself tapping into as a beginner trader. And, even intermediate trader, advanced trader, whatsoever, right? But these are the things that you need to find yourself tackling at a early stage inside your actual journey. And, you know what? With that being said, you will find yourself making your journey so much smoother. Okay, and that is like a little small talk from me. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I hope you have taken away something from it. And allow me to go get something to eat. I'm going to see y'all in the next one. I'm out.